The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is Samsung's newest effort at a clamshell foldable. This time, the Galaxy Z Flip can shut flush, eliminating the gap that existed with earlier versions. Among other improvements, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 boasts a far more powerful CPU than previous generations. Samsung has unveiled its 5th-generation clamshell foldable, which joins the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Tab S9, and Galaxy Watch 6 line. According to Samsung, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 measures 165.1 by 71.9 mm when open, and 85.1 mm x 71.9 mm when closed. As a result, it is about the same size as its predecessor, with an official weight of 187 g and a thickness of 6.9 mm. However, Samsung's redesigned hinge mechanism enables the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to shut flush, reducing its thickness from 15.9 to 17.1 mm when closed to 15.1 mm. Furthermore, Samsung has adopted a 3.4-inch cover display with a resolution of 720 by 748 pixels, and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. In comparison, the device's foldable display is still a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, with a variable refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz and a resolution of 2640 by 1080 pixels. Similarly, this year's Galaxy Z Flip keeps 10MP selfie, 12MP primary, and 12MP ultra-wide-angle cameras. The battery capacity stays intact at 3,700 mAh, as does the wired charging speed of 25W. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is likewise only IPX8 certified and includes 8GB of RAM, with either 256GB or 512GB of storage, as well as a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes in cream, graphite, lavender, and mint by default. However, Samsung retains the blue, green, gray, and yellow colors as online-only possibilities. As usual, Samsung promises 4 major Android upgrades and a 5th year of security fixes. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 begins at €1,199 for 256GB of storage, and rises to €1,319 in the Eurozone. With that stated, Samsung is giving a variety of deals at launch, including free storage upgrades and price cuts on other goods. More information may be found on Samsung's website. Do you think the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be more enticing to customers now that it can shut flush? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.